Hey guys, I wanted to point it out. I wanted to point out a couple of things about this neck that I'm sure you didn't see on the last video because I didn't zoom in. But I really took the time and the effort when I cut up this curly maple piece here to get it all aligned perfectly and all the pieces turned the right way so that all these curl lines, they line up. So it's just like I'd cut the board, put a little piece in, and cut the board, put a little piece in, and you know, kept everything aligned perfectly straight. Paying attention to details like that really matter. Now, a person that owns this guitar or owns a neck like this, they may play the thing for 5 or 10 years and never even notice that something like that lines up. But that's what you do when you're building custom stuff, is you pay attention to details like this. All right, so here's our neck blank. And I cut it oversized. Now, if you look at this, this is my template for, and this is also oversized, but this is my template for the 3/4 size body, the 12th fret here. But I made it extra long because I didn't know what I wanted to do with the other half. It's big enough that I could make another 12 fret guitar, or I could use a full-size guitar, or I can even use it on a baritone neck if I want to. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with that extra piece, but I'll figure it out sooner or later. Okay, so now I know how to use this work. We're going to my neck out. We're going to trace this out. Now next time I'm going to go use for this. but we're really starting to get a feel for how this is going to look. I left everything big. This is height-wise, it's pretty close to the height that I want. It's thicker on the outsides and thicker around here. Obviously, I haven't done anything with the heel yet, but I don't do all that stuff until I get the fretboard on. So for now, the neck is actually carved and waiting for a fretboard. But in the meantime, we'll be able to cut the tongue and groove slot back here, get the neck angle correct, and then we'll be able to finish off the heel once we get that done. But for now, that's how it sits. So I will see you next time.